Cookery Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8. Most Essential Learning Competencies.
Milk number 3. Carry out measurements and calculations in a required task. In this lesson, you will perform substitution of ingredients. How many times have you been ready to cook and found you were out of a certain ingredient? Sometimes it is inconvenient to run out and purchase the necessary ingredient. It's easier to use a similar product as a replacement. There are, however, several factors to consider when substituting ingredients. Consider differences in flavor, moisture, texture, and weight. Substitutions with an acid flavor, such as molasses, need to be neutralized to avoid changes in the flavor and texture of the product. Differences in sweetening and thickening powder need consideration in sugar and flour substitutions. To help avoid disappointment when substituting ingredients, understand the physical and chemical properties of all ingredients. Measure accurately. The following table gives substitutes that may be used to get a finished product like the original. The following abbreviations are used: TSP for teaspoon, TBSP for tablespoon, OZ for ounce, LB for pound. Ingredient equivalent. Ingredient, the amount, substitution, allspice, 1 TSP, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, plus 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves. Apple pie spice, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon cardamom. Arrowroot as thickener, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Baking powder, double acting, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 5/8 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 1/2 cup buttermilk, sour milk, or yogurt. Decrease liquid in recipe by 1/2 cup. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice plus sweet milk. To make 1/2 cup, decrease liquid in recipe by 1/2 cup. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 1/4 cup molasses. Decrease liquid in recipe by 1 to 2 TBSP. 1 and 1/2 teaspoon phosphate or tartrate baking powder. Bay leaf crush, 1 teaspoon, 1 whole bay leaf. Brandy, 1/4 cup, 1 teaspoon brandy, extract plus enough water or liquid cold for in recipe to make 1/4 cup. Breadcrumbs, dry, 1/4 to 1/3 cup, 1 sliced bread, 1/4 cup cracker, crumbs, 2/3 cup rolled oats. Broth beef or chicken, 1 cup, 1 bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon or 1 envelope powder broth base or 1 teaspoon instant granules dissolved in 1 cup water. Ingredient, butter. Amount 1 cup, 1 cup margarine, 7/8 to 1 cup hydrogenated shortening plus 1/2 teaspoon salt, 7/8 cup lard plus 1 cup teaspoon salt, 7/8 cup oil plus 1/2 teaspoon salt. Ketchup, 1 cup tomato sauce plus 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoon vinegar for use in cooking. Chili sauce, 1 cup, 1 cup tomato sauce, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and a dash of ground cloves and allspice. Chives, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon green onion tops, finely chopped. Chocolate unsweetened, 1 ounce, 3 tablespoon cocoa plus 1 tablespoon butter or fat, 3 tablespoon caro powder plus 2 tablespoon water. Semi-sweet, 1/2 to 3 ounce, 1 ounce unsweetened chocolate plus 4 teaspoon sugar. Chocolate chips, semi-sweet, melted, 6 ounce package, 2/3 cup, 2 squares, 2 ounce unsweetened chocolate, 2 tablespoon shortening, and 1/2 cup sugar melted, 2/3 cup. Coconut grated dry, 1 tablespoon. 1 1/2 tablespoon fresh coconut grated. Coconut milk, 1 cup, 1 cup milk. Coconut cream, 1 cup. 3 tablespoon cocoa plus, 1 tablespoon butter or fat, 3 tablespoon carob powder, plus 2 tablespoon water. cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon granula tapioca, 1 tablespoon arrowroot, corn syrup, 1 cup, 1 cup granulated sugar, plus 1/4 cup water or other liquid cold for in recipe, 1 cup honey. Cracker crumbs, 3/4 cup, 1 cup dry breadcrumbs, cream half and half, 10-12% fat, 1 cup, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon butter plus 7/8 cup milk, 1/2 cup coffee cream plus 1/2 cup milk, 1 cup evaporated milk undiluted, coffee 20% fat, 1 cup, 3 tablespoon butter plus 7/8 cup milk, heavy 36-40% fat, 1 cup, 1/3 cup butter plus 3/4 cup milk for baking only, will not whip. Sour, 1 cup, 7/8 cup buttermilk, sour milk, 1 cup yogurt, 1 and 1/8 cup powdered non-fat dry milk, 1/2 cup water, warm, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mixture will thicken in refrigerator in a few hours. 1 cup evaporated milk plus 1 tablespoon vinegar. Allow to stand 5 minutes before using. 1/3 cup buttermilk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 cup smooth cottage cheese blended together. 7/8 cup milk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Ingredient: whipped cream. Amount: 2 cups. Substitution: 1 cup chilled evaporated milk plus 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Whip until stiff. Cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon. 1 and 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice or vinegar. Dill fresh, 1 head, 1 teaspoon dill seed. Eggs, whole, large. 1 egg equals 3 and 1/3 tablespoon. 2 and a half tablespoon dried sifted eggs plus 2 and a half tablespoon water. 3 and 1/3 tablespoon frozen egg yolks, thawed, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon liquid in baking. 1 egg in every 3 can be placed with 1 tablespoon cornstarch in baking. Soften 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin in 3 tablespoon cold water. Add 3 teaspoon boiling water, cool, and beat until fruity. Add to recipe. Reduce other liquid by 2 tablespoons. 1/4 cup commercial egg, substitute. Whites, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoon dried egg white plus 2 tablespoon water. 2 tablespoon frozen egg whites, thawed. Egg yolk, 1 egg yolk equals 1 and 1/3 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon dried egg yolks plus 2 teaspoon water, 4 teaspoon frozen egg yolks, thawed. Flour, pastry, 1 cup, 7/8 cup all-purpose or bread flour. Cake, 1 cup, 7/8 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup less 2 tablespoon. Ingredient: white all-purpose for thickening, 1 tablespoon. Substitution: 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch, potato starch, rice starch, or arrowroot, 1 tablespoon quick cooking tapioca, 1 tablespoon waxy rice or corn flour, 2 tablespoon granulated cereal, 2 tablespoon brown flour, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon whole wheat flour. Ingredient: white all-purpose for baking. Note: specialty flours added to yeast bread recipes will result in a reduced volume and heavier product. The amount is 1 cup. Substitutions: 1 and 1/2 cups breadcrumbs, 1 and 1/8 cups cake flour, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 7/8 to 1 cup cornmeal, 1/2 cup cornstarch plus 1/2 cup rye, potato or rice flour, sift together 6 times. Use with 2 teaspoon baking powder per cup in quick breads as wet flour allergy substitute. 13-16 cup gluten flour, 1 cup less 3 tablespoon. 5/8 cup potato flour, 7/8 cup rice flour, 1 and 1/3 cups rolled oats, 1 and 1/4 cups rye flour, 1/8 cup soy, cottonseed, peanut, or carob flour, plus 7/8 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup wet germ plus 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup minus 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour. Ingredient: white all-purpose sieve rising, 1 cup, 1 cup all-purpose flour plus 1 and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Garlic, 1 clove, small, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder or instant minced garlic, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon garlic salt, reduced amount salt cold for in recipe. Gelatin flavored, 3 ounce package, 1 tablespoon plain gelatin plus 2 cups fruit juice. Ginger, candied or raw, 1 tablespoon, 1/8 teaspoon powdered ginger. Herbs, fresh, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon dried herbs. Honey, fresh, 1 cup. 1 and 1/4 cup sugar plus 1/4 cup liquid. Use liquid cold for in recipe. Horseradish, grated fresh, 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon bottled horseradish. Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon basil. 2/3 teaspoon dried parsley, and pinch oregano. Lemon, whole, 1 lemon. 1 to 3 tablespoon juice plus 2 and 2.5 teaspoon grated rind. Juice, 1 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon vinegar. Grated rind or peel lemon, 1 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon lemon extract. Lemongrass, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon lemon peel. Maple sugar, grated, 1 tablespoon, 1/2 cup, 1 cup maple syrup. Decrease liquid by 1/2 cup. Maple syrup, 2 cups. Combine 2 cups and 1 cup water. Bring to water boil. Take off heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon maple flavoring. Marshmallow, miniature, 1 cup. 10 large marshmallows. Mayonnaise, for use in salads and salad dressings, 1 cup. 1 cup yogurt, sour cream or cottage cheese, pureed in blender, used for all parts of mayonnaise, cold for in recipe. Milk, buttermilk or sour, 1 cup. 1 cup minus 1 tablespoon sweet milk plus 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Let stand 5 minutes. 1 cup sweet milk plus 1 and 1/4 to 1 and 3/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1 cup yogurt plain. Skim, 1 cup. 1/3 cup instant non-fat dry milk plus 7/8 cup water. Whole, 1 cup. 1/2 cup evaporated milk plus 1/2 cup water. 1 cup skim, 2% or reconstituted dry milk. 1 cup soy or almond milk. 1 cup fruit juice or potato water in baking. 1 cup water plus 1 and 1/2 teaspoon butter in baking. 1 cup buttermilk plus 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Decrease baking powder by 2 teaspoon. Ingredient, sweetened condensed, 1 cup. Combine 1 cup plus 2 tablespoon dry milk with 1/2 cup warm water and 3/4 cup sugar. Mix well and may set pan in bowl or hot water to dissolve sugar. Mint leaves, fresh, chopped, 1/4 cup. 1 tablespoon dried mint leaves. Molasses, 1 cup. 3/4 cup sugar. Increase liquid by 5 tablespoon. Decrease baking soda by 1/2 teaspoon and 2 teaspoon baking powder. 3/4 cup sugar plus 1 and 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Mushrooms, fresh, 1 pound. 3 ounce dried plus 1 and 1/2 cups water. 1/8 ounce can drain wet. Mustard, dry, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Prepared mustard, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds. Nuts, 1 cup, 1 cup rolled oats, browned in baked products. Oil, for sauteing, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup melted margarine, butter, bacon drippings, shortening or lard. Onion, 1 small, 1/4 cup chopped fresh onion, 1 and 1/3 teaspoon onion salt, 1 to 2 tablespoon instant minced onion, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 cup fresh onion, chopped. Ingredient, orange. Amount, 1 medium. Substitution, 6 to 8 tablespoon juice, 3/4 cup. Dice to 2-3 tablespoon grated rind. Orange peel, dried, 1 tablespoon. 2 or 3 tablespoon grated fresh orange peel, peel of medium orange. Parsley, fresh, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. Pepper, white, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Peppers, green or red bell, dried, 1 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon fresh bell pepper, dried and chopped. Pimiento, 2 tablespoon chopped, 3 tablespoon fresh red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon dried red pepper, rehydrated. Pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/8 teaspoon allspice, and 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg. Rennet, 1 tablet, 1 tablespoon liquid rennet. Rice, 1 cup, cook, 1 cup converted, regular brown or wild rice, cook. 1 cup bulgur or pearl barley, cook. Rum, 1/4 cup. 1 tablespoon rum extract plus enough liquid to make 1/4 cup. Shortening, melted, 1 cup. 1 cup cooking oil, solid, 1 cup. 1 cup minus 2 tablespoon lard, 1 cup butter or margarine. Decrease salt in recipe by 1/2 teaspoon. Sugar brown, 1 cup. 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup granulated sugar plus 1/4 cup unsulfured molasses. 1/2 cup liquid brown sugar. Confectioners or powdered, 1 cup. 3/4 cup granulated sugar for uses other than baking. Granulated, 1 cup. 1 cup firmly packed brown sugar. 1 1/3 cup confectioner sugar for uses other than baking. 1 cup corn syrup. Reduce other liquid by 1/4 cup. Never replace more than 1/2 of sugar cold for in recipe with corn syrup. 1 cup raw sugar. 13 to 16 cup honey. 1 cup less 3 tablespoon. Reduce liquid in recipe by 3 tablespoon for every cup of honey. Add a pinch of baking soda to neutralize acidity. 3/4 to 1 cup maple syrup minus 3 tablespoon other liquid. 1 cup molasses or sorghum plus 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Omit or decrease baking powder by 1 teaspoon. Reduce other liquid by 4 tablespoon. Non-caloric solution, 1/8 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 cup granulated sugar. Non-caloric grains, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 cup, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 cup granulated sugar. Tapioca, quick cooking, 1 1/2 to 2 tablespoon, 4 tablespoon pearl tapioca, soak. Quick cooking for thickening, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon flour. Tomatoes, fresh, 2 cups, chopped. 1 to 16 ounce can, drained. Pack, 1 cup, 1/2 cup tomato sauce plus 1/2 cup water. Can, 1 cup, 1 1/3 cups diced tomatoes, simmered 10 minutes. Tomato juice, 1 cup, 1/2 cup tomato sauce plus 1/2 cup water.